everyone, my name is Kaylee Holloway, and I will be talking about writing psychotherapy. A little bit about me. I am often outdoors in nature, but I also love music, crocheting, and writing. I do my best to stay busy, and I take great satisfaction from learning and working hard. I'm studying psychology, first off, because it's the best subject to study. Really, I'm in the psychology major because it has allowed me to understand the most important component of life, people, including myself. Studying psychology has helped me become a more compassionate and helpful person for others. With this knowledge, I want to do my part to make a positive difference in the world, one individual at a time. So, what is psychotherapy? Psychotherapy is a very general term used to describe the healing process of emotional difficulties and/or mental illnesses. It can be short or long term. It is used by psychiatrists, psychologists, licensed professional counselors, licensed social workers, licensed marriage and family therapists, psychiatric nurses, or other licensed professionals with mental health training. That sounds like just about everything related to counseling and psychology, doesn't it? Because it's such a relative term, I'm going to specifically relate it to writing, which is my greatest career aspiration. The ambition to be an author is a very large motivating factor in my life. So large, in fact, that for years, as I've struggled through many chronic illnesses, stories that come to my mind have helped me through my hard times. Now I am recovering and my stories are still forming in my head. I know that it is time to let them out so that they can help other people like they've already helped me. This type of writing is considered psychotherapeutic in the literature world. To be such an author, one must use their creativity to relate writing to people's own life experiences, whether literally or symbolically, so that the readers can overcome what they are facing in their own lives through the characters' fictional lives. Education level? Well, there's none required. However, a degree in English or creative writing is very useful, and psychology is a great addition, especially for this type of writing. I am majoring in psychology because I love it so much, and I want to keep my career options open. But I'm also making certain to take as many creative writing classes as I can so that I keep improving as a writer and reach my goals. And then the salary for authors is really a large range, 21,000 to 98,000, and this is all depending on the popularity of the books, how many books the author has written, and also if they're traditionally or self-published. The book, The Psychology Narrative, Fictional Relationships and the Process of Change, explain it this way. Literature has always provided stories, but the concept of narrative is now being applied to how individuals structure their experiences and self-concepts. So when I write, I feel my emotions flow out of me and into my characters. They become really real to me, and this allows me to overcome what I'm going through as my characters face their own challenges. Something about feeling my hero overcome a mighty dragon makes my own bumps in the road a lot less difficult. And I know that I'm capable of reaching my goals just as my characters do. So I would encourage you to write. It's not just therapeutic for readers and authors. I encourage you to write out your emotions however you do so, whether through stories, journaling, or music. Whether you are facing hard times or happy times, write it out.